Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another video over here, and today we are going to talk about a brand new method how you can actually start making money online completely for free, and it's not going to require from you a lot of work at the same time. Alright guys, so make sure you stay until the end of the video as I'm going to reveal to you a step-by-step process how you can actually do it. Guys, if you are new to this channel is all about making money online in different ways, mainly through affiliate marketing. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and at the end of the video, if you will like the video and you will get some tremendous value from it, give me thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm so we can spread the information to as many people as we possibly can. Guys, before we head over to our today's topic, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, then I have a free video where I explain it in great detail. So if you are interested in that, click the link in the description below and I will see you inside of it. So guys, having said that, let's get into our today's topic straight away. So guys, for this strategy, as you can see, I'm on my laptop in front of YouTube, so we are going to use YouTube. And for this, don't freak out guys, we are not going to create any videos. You're not going to have to show your face, so don't freak out, don't skip this video, stick with me. I'm going to show exactly what we're going to do. So in order to make what we're going to do is we are going to create videos, very popular videos, which are completely free and you're not going to show your face. So in order to do that, I'm going to first show you a channel that is doing it, all right, that is doing a very similar thing, and it's called Relax Chill Out Music, all right. So this person is actually creating videos or like mixes, all right, with different variations of videos, especially lounge music, all right, calm and relaxing music, ambient, chill out music, and so on and so forth. And what is amazing about this strategy is that this person is creating, you know, longer videos, you know, 3-hour videos, 2-hour videos, 5-hour videos, 2 hours, 1 hour, and so on and so forth, which is actually genius because the longer the video, the more ads you can put into that video, and therefore you make more money through YouTube, right? Now guys, another great thing about creating longer videos is that you don't have to create so many videos so often, all right? So as you can see, this person is creating more or less 2 or 3 videos per month, as you can see, all right? So it's very easy, and as you will see later on, this method is extremely easy to do. It's not going to take you hours a day. It's maybe take you a half an hour a day. All right, now guys, this is pretty much how it works. So let me just show you how popular these videos are. That's the great thing about this method, is that these videos are extremely popular. People love it, and to be honest, I personally love these videos. It's just amazing. You know, you just put it on, you can work with it, it can just play in the background, right? And that's how you are going to make a lot of money, because people just leave it on, they love it, they're going to listen to it in the background, and that's how you're going to get the watch time and also the ad revenue. So as you can see, this video, as you can see, it's played on, it has 360,000 views, more than that, and as you can see, it is literally just one picture all the time, all right? And then you have several videos, several songs throughout the video, all right? And that's exactly what we are going to do. Now, don't worry, you're not going to use any you know, copyright songs or anything like that. We are going to use royalty-free music and pictures as well, so it's going to be completely fine. Don't worry about that. But before we get into it, how to do that, I just want to show you exactly how much this channel particularly is making. All right. So for that, we're going to use the website called socialblade.com. All right, and you can just, you know, browse for your own this channel, Relax Chill Out Music, and as you can see, estimated monthly earnings is up to $12,000 per month, right? Which usually it is somewhere in between these two numbers. So if we count it, it's around maybe 6,000, all right, 6,000-7,000 per month, which is just insane when you think about it. It's completely passive income, as you can see, this person is uploading 3 videos per month, which is literally 1.5 hours a month for $7,000. All right, so that's amazing. So how are we going to do that? So first of all, we need some photos or videos for free, and for that we are going to use I have 2 platforms for you. First one is called Pexels.com, all right, Pexels.com, and the second one is called Pixabay.com. all right, both of these are platforms or website where you can get royalty-free songs, music, videos, and all that sort of things. All right, and what you want to do is head over to, for example, Pexels, all right, and search for ocean or something like that. All right, something like that, and all of these results for photos especially are going to be, you know, royalty free. Even videos, even everything, what you find here is royalty free, which means you can use it whatever, you know, whatever way you want, and you can make money from these photos. All right, so if you like something, you can just, you know, browse on it and click on this arrow over here, and it's going to be downloaded for you. Similar on Pixabay, again, you just search for something that you like. Again, ocean, you go into it, you click on whatever you like. All right, you open it, and then you're just going to click over here on the free download button, and you can see which size you want, and you're just going to download it, again, completely for free. All right, guys, so that's for the photos, that's for the videos. You can download videos as well from both of these platforms. All right, so now what we need is the music, right? Where are we going to get the music? Now, as you can see, even on these websites you can find some music, as you can see. Where is it? And music, right over here. Over here is music, but for this particular video we are going to use the best option which is available, and it's directly YouTube, right? So for that you will need to head over to your YouTube studio and click on audio library. It's over here under pretty much customization, all right, the last one, and here is literally list of free music that you can use, repurpose, whatever, do whatever you want. All right, and the easiest thing you can do is just play audio track over here. All right, and if you want, you can filter it by mood, genre, all right, the duration, whatever you want. And if you like something, then the only thing you need to do is click over here on download button. All right, and that's it. You're going to download it, and you can use it in whatever way you want. As you can see, there are more than 2,000 songs that you can use. All right, and therefore it's a great way how you can actually do it. So now, guys, once you download all the music that you want, all right, make sure it is around at least 1 hour, all right, of music, which is great. Then what you want to do is actually make it in a video, right? And for that I have 2 options for you. Again, the first one which I suggest you to do is called HitFilm Express. Right, HitFilm Express is a completely free software that you can use, that you can download and use it in your PC, all right, in your laptop. For that you just need to literally Google HitFilm Express, all right, like this, and then you need to click on the first link over here, which is from the fxhome.com. all right, and when you head over to this website, here you will see the download for free option, and it's completely free. All right, I love this software. It's completely free, it's very easy to use, so it's a really good one. But if you don't want to download it and you just don't want to, you know, use downloadable softwares, then you can head over to clidio.com. all right, this is a completely online tool where you can create videos. All right, so for that you just need to click on the video maker over here. Once you do that, you're going to be prompted to choose your files, upload your files. All right, so once you do that, you're going to be presented with pretty much with the video editor, all right, which is this one, and here you will have all your files. All right, so what we want to do is, first of all, click over here and choose zoom and crop, which is going to make your pictures a little bit nicer. All right, you want to keep the 16:9 ratio, and then you want to adjust the image duration, all right, in order to make it a little bit longer, so you don't have to, you know, use thousands of photos at the same time. And then once you're satisfied with it, then add your audio over here. Guys, again, once you're happy with it, once you're satisfied with your video, then what you want to do is export the file, all right, using this one. And that's pretty much it, guys, all right? Then you want to upload it onto YouTube, and that's it, all right? Now, guys, I know that from the beginning you're not going to make money from it because you're not going to be monetized yet from YouTube, but don't worry about that. First thing is to keep going, all right? Keep working on it, right? Because it's gonna, you know, even though it is highly competitive or competitive niche, all right, it's really highly popular, which means people love these videos, and you're definitely going to have lots and lots of views on your videos. But in the meantime, don't freak out, all right? In the meantime, before you get monetized on YouTube, I'm going to show you the way how you can actually make money even though you don't have the monetization, and it's going to be through affiliate marketing. But again, don't worry, you know, don't freak out, it's very easy. There are loads and loads of different ways how you can use it, but for this purpose we're going to use Amazon, all right? So what you're going to do is literally in this description under the video, you're going to put your affiliate link, and so thousands and thousands of people will be able to actually see your video. So for that, the only thing you need to do is literally Google Amazon affiliate, all right, and click on this first link, amazon.com associate central, all right, and then you want to sign up, create your completely free account, and you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs, all right? Now, why do we want to use Amazon is because millions, if not, you know, more than millions of people are, you know, buying on Amazon daily, all right? And they have literally thousands, if not millions of different products, which means that you will have loads and loads of options to actually find the right products which people that are watching your videos would be interested in, guys. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it, guys. First of all, or my last words is, you know, keep going, keep creating the videos, don't quit or anything. You know, it will take a little bit of time, 100%, but it is a completely free method, and you can make possibly thousands and thousands of dollars passively in a short period of time. All right, guys, so really put that effort into it. Nothing from this video is going to work for you if you're not going to put that work into it. All right, guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got tremendous value. If so, give me thumbs up, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. And again, if you are interested in how I make money online with affiliate marketing on a daily basis, then just click the link in the description below, and I will send you the free video in which I will see you inside of it. By that time, guys, have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye, guys.